Okay, hi everyone, welcome back. And in this update, we are going to check out Ethereum Classic and see what is going on in this area right in here. And I think we need to specifically check out this move on the upside. Why is that? Let's go on maybe 5-minute time frame. And I want to be very clear, I don't usually go on such lower time frames. I'm going to do this for the sake of educational purposes. So I'm thinking it's fine. Now, in this move on the upside, starting from here to about this point, I think it's safe to say that we are able to identify a 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave up into wave 5. Now, why is this so important? Because in Ethereum Classic, there is a chance that this is also another impulsive structure on the upside. And based on that, we can have two scenarios. Either this is going to be from this point to about this high, like an A correction for wave B and another move up into our C leg. And basically from here, we are going to have a move down in order to take this low about, let's say, $16. Or maybe this is an A, sure, correction for wave B. And we are going to have something like this from here, a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave up into our C leg, and then okay, I guess fair enough, we can get a move on the downside. But the point that I'm trying to make is this: according to this possibility, in the short term, we may see a move up in Ethereum Classic and not, for example, from here, like a very strong move on the downside. Now, how can we say whether this or the previous scenario is going to be in play? Well, at the moment, I think we need to pay attention to this important ascending channel right in here. There we go. This is the lower band of it, and this is the higher band of it. Okay. Now, if this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave scenario is in play, then okay, you need to see a move up in Ethereum Classic in order to get a break of the higher band of the channel, and then followed by that a pullback, and it might be a correction into our wave 4, and then you are going to see another move up. And what is the target for it going to be? Well, here is a top tip, top secret for you. You need to actually measure the height of your channel from here to about this point and put it at your breaking point, and that will give you, yes, around here, about a $20.50 Ethereum Classic, meaning from these areas, we can expect like a 10% move on the upside. So if you want to say this scenario is in play, you need to see ETC getting a break of this channel on the upside. On the other hand, if from here we see a move down, and in that move, we break the channel on the downside, do a pullback, and then a continuation of the move down, I think it's safe to assume that we are going to have a trip around the lows right in here, about 15.9 to about $16. And who knows, maybe at that point, we are even going to take them. But again, you want to remember, we talked about this subject, I believe, in the previous video also. Overall, I don't really expect Ethereum Classic to go a whole lot lower than this point, and right around the current areas, as long as we are having some moves on the downside, can be great buying opportunity for the long term, because the risk to reward ratios in here are absolutely beautiful for investing. So let's have our final conclusion and wrap up today's update. I think in ETC, we can get a move up. But in order to confirm this scenario, you need to have your eyes on this important ascending channel. And if we get a break of the channel on the upside, okay, at that point from here, you can expect like a 10 to 15% move up in order to possibly reach to about these highs right in here, around $20.50 to about $21.50. Now, on the other hand, if we get a break of the channel on the downside, okay, that is going to be a very important bearish sign, indicating in the short term we may have some more downward price action. And I hope I explained everything well and you understood what is going on in ETC. And until the next update, I hope you have a wonderful time. Goodbye.